So last night, in fact, actually past sunset, part of the pool construction team came out to stick in the plumbing for the water system. And this is what they did. Now this was in place, but now they stuck in these water white hoses all around. Plus another part of the team stuck up the wood and these rebar things for the top of the wall of the pool. That's going to be going around there. So it's getting pretty good. And now that they finished this wall, they got to polish it off and do all that on it. But they're now going to work on the pool house, which is right there in the middle of the frame. And so that's next. And then our pump house for the in-home water system, softener, and pressurizer system that we have going in for the house is also being built right now. And I think that's it. We did get another solar panel quote in, but we having to have it modify it a little bit so we can compare 3 different ones that we've gotten from 3 different places and who we like best. We like two guys so far. And so it'll probably come down to maybe price, but we'll see. And I'll let you guys know on that. We're definitely going to be going for the solar. Otherwise, we have to replace our generator right now, which isn't working. It came with the place, but we haven't been able to get it to work. So we've given up on it. And replacing that, it was actually a little bit more expensive than we thought. So we thought, let's just do solar, because that was going to be like a year from now. We're going to do that once we kind of settle down and everything. But it looks like it's going to happen a little bit sooner. Hey, if you're interested in this type of stuff, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit those bell notifications so you will learn about these as soon as they come out. I'm keeping everybody updated on what it's like to do a beach renovation in Yucatan, Mexico. And if you're interested in more stuff like this, I have a newsletter at expatrebel.com/newsletter that you can subscribe to. It's a weekly email that you get in your email box and lets you know about the new videos and anything else that is happening in my life regarding being an expat, being a retired expat in Mexico and really kind of enjoying this lifestyle. I'm off to go have my morning drinks on the Palapa, which is right over there, a view of the ocean. And in fact, you can come with me. Real quick, I'll grab my first drink here. And it's like what I like to do every morning is I get up and make a couple of my drinks. I have a hot lemonade in the morning and a cacao. But chocolate's made, I do that with a little stevia, so it's not too bitter. And even though I can do it without stevia, but I typically do it with stevia. And I got that as well, which is the second thing that I drink. And so I come here on my little palapa. We got little couple deck chairs. We collected some shells. And then we had our huge drink going on here and view of the ocean. Gulf of Mexico there. We are having this fence taken out. Turtles actually nest here. And so this was actually to protect them, but it also forces them unable to get in here. So we're fixing that so that they can get in easier, of course. We don't have to worry about the timing of when turtle nesting season is and all that, which I think the previous owners did know that really well. And so that's coming along, and didn't know they caught up with that yet. That's good. And so I get my morning time here before the construction people show up and start working on all these projects we got going on. So, all right, that's it for now. See you guys next time. Later.